I set up, I break down. You do the driving around.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
Alright y'all, so I was gonna show you where everybody was up to in the camper, but my SIM card was full, so that's fine. Moving on. But we have some visitors and we're about to get ready to go to the pool, so let me show you who's here. Say hi, Toots.
Hi.
The Abernathys have come to visit. I don't know where my sister is. Getting ready to go to the pool, so we will see you guys there. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the pool. The baby and Soraya are at the water park, which I'm sure I'll get some footage for you guys later of that. But we are here at the Serenity Pool, and we're just about to frolic and chill and hang out.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you, I know how.
Mommy, give me a smile.
Put it back on. Oh, look at that person right there.
I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, boy. I'ma leave the door open. That you feel the way I feel, that you want me like I want you tonight, baby. Tell me that you're coming. Good morning, you guys. It is Friday, finally. And yesterday was just like a chill pool day, relaxation day. The first day was just the day that we got here, but it's Friday. I'm not sure what we have planned today, but should be some pretty good things. Oh, we're foggy. It is hot as heck out here. Hold on, y'all. It's hot as I don't know what out here. I'm starting on breakfast, so we forgot our tripods at home, but babe will probably record for y'all so y'all can see. We're doing simple breakfast this morning, just some grilled biscuits, bacon, and that's it, with some homemade jam. So stay tuned. So I got my butter melting in a little small cast iron. We're on the Blackstone.
Make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
People watching and breakfast eating. Hey y'all, so I don't know what happened yesterday. We went to the pool, we hung out, we just kind of chilled and kicked it, and I never came back. But it is Saturday, and woo, it's Saturday. Take y'all on a little golf cart ride. I'm show y'all the Sharon's. Uh-oh. What you doing, Gabe? Last time they seen you, you was doing The same exact thing. Y'all, can y'all ask Gabriel in the comments why it's 100 degrees outside and he got on jeans?
They just feel right.
What?
They just feel right.
They feel right. They feel hot. That's what they feel. Babe and the kids. You gonna get in the back so you can blow your bubbles?
Welcome to my ride. Welcome to my ride. I am your chauffeur for today.
Yeah, only today because he ain't drove. He ain't drove this golf cart since we had it.
I don't have to. I shouldn't have to. I set up. I break down. You do the driving around.
Okay, bars.
You like that? Please keep all hands, feet, and objects inside of the golf cart at all times. As you're driving by, please wave at everybody.
Golf cart what?
Etiquettes.
Etiquettes?
No, that's it.
Etiquette.
There's more than one.
I'm not waving at it.
You said wave at everybody. That's only one thing.
And keep your hands and feet and all objects in the car.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
Go off, sir.
Sweet talk, you don't need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, down, wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk.
All right, y'all. So it is Sunday evening. I still look rough, but such is life when you're camping, right? We are headed to go play putt-putt golf. Good job, buddy. Okay. Yay. Well, guys, that is the end of our video. Thank you for camping with us this week. We hope you guys had a good time. If you've been to Carolina Pines before, leave us a comment in the comment box and let us know how you liked it. What are some of your favorite camping spots that we should check out? And who knows, maybe we'll see you soon. All right, guys. Peace.